Good day, fellow DIYers. Today I'm going to replace the muffler that we have right now. It's a Greddy exhaust muffler and it's really loud for my liking. Previous owner put this one in, but I'm replacing it with a stock exhaust that I found from the junkyard. So I will be using that. I already cut out the flange. And what else did I find there? I also found some Fender liners that I'm gonna use, and a complete bumper support. So this is a front bumper support that I'm gonna use too. Alright, so my plan is to cut this existing muffler now and then connect the stock one that I got from the junkyard. Whenever your job involves a saw and cutting metal, make sure to wear eye protection. Test fit the pipe and get it welded. I think I might have to cut some more here, probably about 1.5 inches more. After cutting a small section from this exhaust tube, we're going to test fit again. Oh, thank you for the eye protection. Small stone fell straight through. I'm not the best welder, but I have a welding machine and a mask, so I will be doing this myself. After setting our exhaust to the right position that we wanted to, now we're about to weld it. So make sure you have one of these. Safety first. So we got our stock exhaust back on the Prelude. For more updates and video, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed one, DIYers. Thank you.